Well, Feeney, we got the very first A321 Neo. This is the very first airplane, ship number 5001. Visiting Seattle today. How freaking awesome is that? Literally just came in from France. Look at how clean those tires are. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs and get some video of what it looks like inside. Another thing that I like is the raccoon looking on the cockpit there. What a beautiful airplane.
Look at the lightning, bro. Look at the ceiling.
Oh, wow. Nice. Nice. Look at all these Comfort Plus seats. This cannot be the bathroom. Oh my god. It's tiny.